Welcome to today's video. A faceless YouTube channel allows creators to share their content without revealing their identity. This approach offers significant benefits, including enhanced privacy and the creative freedom to express ideas authentically, without the stress of personal exposure to an audience. Selecting the right niche is crucial for a successful faceless YouTube channel. Focus on areas like tutorials, gaming, or storytelling, which allow for creative expression without a personal presence. Choose topics where visuals and voice can effectively engage viewers, maximizing impact while maintaining your anonymity. Using voiceovers effectively allows creators to engage their audience while remaining anonymous. High-quality audio enhances viewer experience, and tools like Audacity, Adobe Audition, or a simple USB microphone can elevate your sound quality. Invest time in script preparation to ensure clarity and maintain listener interest throughout your video. Leveraging stock footage is a fantastic way to enhance your visuals without showing your face. Websites like Pexels, Unsplash, and Shutterstock offer a wide range of free and paid footage options. By selecting relevant clips, you can create engaging content that aligns with your theme and attracts viewers effectively. Engaging visuals and animations are essential for conveying messages effectively in faceless YouTube channels. Programs like Adobe After Effects and Blender empower creators to produce compelling graphics and animations that captivate viewers. Explore these tools to enhance storytelling, improve viewer retention, and maintain interest throughout your content. Establishing consistent branding is vital for faceless YouTube channels. Create unique thumbnails, logos, and color schemes to build a recognizable identity. This visual consistency not only enhances brand recall but also gives your content a professional look, helping to attract and retain subscribers without relying on personal imagery. To build a loyal audience while remaining anonymous, focus on creating engaging content that resonates with viewers. Utilize interactive elements like polls and questions to foster community engagement. Consistent uploads and responding to comments can enhance viewer connections, encouraging them to subscribe and actively participate in your channel. SEO is crucial for the success of faceless YouTube channels. Focus on effective keyword usage in titles, descriptions, and tags to enhance discoverability. Writing precise, engaging video descriptions helps inform viewers and boosts optimization. Regularly update tags to reflect trending topics, ensuring your content reaches the right audience. Faceless YouTube channels have diverse monetization options. Consider affiliate marketing to promote products relevant to your content while earning commissions. Integrating ads can provide steady revenue, and exploring sponsored content opportunities allows brands to reach your audience. These strategies help generate income without the need for personal visibility. In conclusion, we covered essential tips for creating a faceless YouTube channel, from choosing the right niche to effective monetization strategies. Embrace your creative freedom and start your journey today. Remember, anonymity can enhance your content while allowing you to connect with an audience without personal exposure.